a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the poppin' curls, you're here such a joy. I am Joy and I got a good one for y'all today, I promise. So in these few clips, I'm just showing you how I moisturize my hair. I already did my entire head off of camera. I didn't feel like it was necessary to show the whole process because I have a bunch of twist out videos and I just do the LCO method. But so yeah, so first I start off by spraying my hair with warm water so I can make sure my cuticles are still open and is going to receive the next set of products. Then I go in with the twisting cream and I use the Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition Twisting Cream for this. Then I go in with my olive oil that I chose to use for this style. Then I went in with the dimming brush, and with the dimming brush I just use it so it can help detangle my hair because I couldn't find my detangle thing, even though I didn't really look for it. But so that's just what that's for.
You and me together, baby, it's been on my mind. Let me grab my canvas, sugar, I'ma paint you right. You got plenty of time to figure this thing out.
So let's get straight into what you guys are here for. Time for surgery. No, just kidding. I got a cut on my hand. I just don't want it to get into my finger because I've seen people do videos and see how messy this gets. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got this from my local Ruby Red beauty, and a lot of people use this brand. And you want to make sure it has that little covering on top. Make sure nobody's getting inside of it. The reviews were right. Smells like a man. Okay, so the moment we've all been waiting for. This hairpin wax is very creamy. It's not like waxy as you would think since the word says wax in it. It's really creamy. And I start off at the tips of my hair first because I want to make sure the color is more vibrant at the bottom, and then I'm going to work my way up. And I'm not going to go all the way to the roots because I just don't want it on my scalp, and then I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I just don't want to go up that high. I want to still have black roots, so I try to go like a little bit more than halfway up because I wanted like that more of a natural colored look when you leave the roots black. And now I'm starting to build up on it because it didn't seem like it was like sticking to me, but my hair was just damp. It wasn't like wet. Eventually I add more water. I found that when you add more water, it gets the hair to take the color better, and it really defines your curls. Like, look at my curls. It really does a good job at defining your curls, so I know it'll be really good as in a wash and go, but I'm not doing a wash and go. I'm doing a twist out. And I do want to add, you do want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. My hair was fully detangled and twisted up before I did this, so make sure your hair is fully detangled because I didn't want to get my comb dirty, so I didn't comb back through my hair again because I just didn't want that. And I wiped my hands off just now because I didn't want to get the color at the roots of my hair, but I eventually stopped doing that because it was just taking too much time to like wipe the color off. The color was getting everywhere anyway. And as I said before, I'm not doing a wash and go, but this is my infamous way. I love to do a twist out because it ensures a perfect twist out every time. I define my curls as if I'm about to do a wash and go, but then I split the hair and then twist it up, and that way when I take the twist out, it already separates in the clump curls as it should. And I like to add the color on it first before I get my hair like wet, and then I spray it with some more water. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but basically I put it on the damp hair so I can get the color to sit on it first, and then I spray it to get it extra wet so the color won't look like chalky when I'm like putting it on, like it's not just sitting on the hair. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch it now. I'm pretty sure y'all got the hang of like what I'm doing, so I'm gonna let y'all watch, and if I see something that I should comment on, and then I'll chime back in and comment questions down below if you have any questions.
Won't move too fast for you. This ain't nothing sexual, baby, this is mental. I just wanna pick your brain and see what you are into. I don't mean to offend you, just tryna get to know you. take your clothes off. Take your clothes off, yeah.
I went off camera so it wouldn't get tedious, but look at my hands, crazy. But I used basically more than half of the container, like I was almost out. But anyway, so we're just gonna finish up here, and I was thinking like, oh my gosh, like I used way too much color. Like when I be watching people, they do not be using like that much of the color. So I just thought that it was going to turn out horrible. I was like really scared. I'm like, bro, like what the heck? The reason I put so much is because I noticed that a lot of people, you couldn't really see their color unless they were like standing in the sun or the flash was on, and I wanted it to still have a nice blue color in a like dim setting. So that's the reason I put so much, but like I said, I still was really scared.
Take your clothes off. I wanna paint you naked, baby. Take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. You ain't gotta go nowhere. I'm right here, yeah. I'm right here. I'm right here, yeah. I think I hit the lotto, baby. Bring the bottle. I'm playing Picasso, I'm sipping on Moscato. You can be my model, now baby take your clothes off. We can just lay here until your toes off. I can be you, Vincent Van Gogh. Just take your clothes off, I don't care where your hands go or your pants go. Yeah, and it all sounds good, but I think you should take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. I wanna see you naked, baby. Take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off. I wanna paint you naked, baby. Take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. You ain't gotta go nowhere. I'm right here, yeah. I'm right here, I'm right here. You ain't gotta go nowhere. I'm right here, yeah.
I ended up sleeping with a bag under my scarf that night because I didn't want my pillow to get blue, because I saw a lot of people say that pillows got blue, but when I woke up in the morning it wasn't dry like it should, so I ended up having to sit under the dryer. And this is the blue that it ended up being once I finished from under the dryer. So now I am going to get these twists unraveled, and if you need a detailed way of taking your twist down, I have videos to that, so I'm not getting into like a detailed way of how I take my twist down. But so I'll just let y'all listen to music while I take these down.
I'm right here, I'm right here. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. I wanna see you naked, baby. Take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off. You and me together, baby, it's been on my mind. Let me grab my canvas, sugar, I'ma paint you right. You got plenty of time to figure this thing out. Won't move too fast for you. This ain't nothing sexual, baby, this is mental.
So I'm finished the first part of the takedown. This is just a basic twist out. Some people might stop right here, but I'm going to do a fully separated twist out because that's just what I want, the full look. So now I'm just going to separate these strands until I get to that full popping twist out, honey.
I just wanna pick your brain and see what you are into. I don't mean to offend you, just tryna get to know you. If you're gonna be all in my space, let's talk face to face. You know I'm the one. Come on through, don't be shy, baby, don't you run. I got things to show you, we can have some fun. So let's take our time, man, meet on one-on-one. Take your clothes off. Take your clothes off.
And I just wanted to say, you see how I'm separating it and how the twists are already clumped and separating effortlessly? That's the reason I define the curls first, like I'm doing a wash and go, and then twist it up. Like, sis, fully detangle your hair, define your curls like you're doing a wash and go, and then twist it up, and I promise you, you're going to have a popping twist out. I promise you. I promise you.
I wanna see you naked, baby, take your clothes off, yeah. Take your clothes off, take your clothes off.
So here I'm just showing you basic twist out versus fully separated twist out. And now we're about to finish taking this twist out down, and then you can see that finished look, and you can be like, honey, child.
Take your clothes off, yeah, take your clothes off. I wanna paint your.
And this is a close-up look of the color. Like, I was really loving how it came out. I will say it is a flaky. I had like blue specks all over my shirt, and you can see it on my hands, but it definitely washes off.
What color is mommy's hair?
Thank you for showing us how beautiful the winter can be.
What color is mommy's hair?
You're welcome, Leo.
What color is it?
Beautiful. You can stay warm. That's right, Luna.
I just want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video because it definitely helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, I'm right here, yeah. I think I hit the lotto, baby, bring the bottle. I'm playing Picasso, I'm sipping on Moscato. You can be my model, now baby, take your clothes off. We can just lay here and see.
Everything I work for, everything I got, now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for him.